Good morning, guys. Today is a very exciting day. I've been waiting for this day for like 8 months because today it's moving day. Yay! So finally, we are moving to a new house. After waiting for so long, I'm so freaking excited. I can't even tell you. Currently, it's 8 o'clock. We're now on my fiance's jet, and it's a long story, but I'll tell you by the end of this vlog. So if you're curious how long it took us to buy a house, how was the process, and everything about that, then stay tuned. And we just woke up. I had a very awful night of sleep, but that's okay because I'm excited, and that's what always happens. But I'm just getting ready, gonna have my coffee, and in a half an hour or so the removals company should come and take off our clothes and stuff and boxes. We have so much stuff, it's insane. But like, I'm absolutely buzzing because first time ever, like ever gonna move to my own house, and it's gonna be a very busy day, so I'm gonna take you around and show you, and yay, let's go. So here's all of our stuff, and like, it's insane, so many boxes. Look at this. Hi there. And then this whole room is full of stuff. Like, you could tell there is a little mattress and some again boxes, and that's actually a living room, but it's full of our crap. I mean our stuff. But yeah, that's crazy how much stuff someone has. Like, how much stuff someone needs, seriously. Right now I'm having my coffee because I'm very tired. I'm not meant to sing at this hour because usually I'm not a morning person. But I just finished packing up the last bits and bobs like toiletries and shower gels and all of that stuff. And packing is not a fun process. Like, if you ever moved a house, you know how it's like. But like, cheers.
Out with your bank card, so you get the charge.
Now we're getting tickets. So right now we're at the train station. I've got my ticket, yeah, this way, and we're going to St. Owens because that's where we're gonna move. We're basically gonna wait for the removals to come and bring all of our stuff, but it's like quite early. It's not even like 9 o'clock. And yeah, I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, it's just funny, we didn't get our car because our car is like really far away, but that's fine. And yeah, so freaking excited, like, I can't even tell you. So we almost arrived to our house, like we're now in St. Albans, and like everywhere here is so pretty and so nice, and like, I'm actually buzzing. Yay! So we just arrived at our house, and yeah, it's very echoish because everything is empty, and we're just waiting for the removals company so we can redirect them and put all of our bits and bobs into place, because at the moment it's, yeah, as I mentioned before, pretty empty. We'll be here before because we picked up our keys like a week ago or so. And you could tell that by the fact that I left here a little card on the fire pit, which was gifted to me by my work colleagues. Do let me know if you want to see a little house tour, comment down below. So the moving company just arrived and the guys are moving everything, and I'm so freaking excited. I'm just trying to not be in the way, and it's very tricky as well to vlog or say anything because it's quite awkward, but yeah, here they are doing their thing, and I guess I need to go downstairs and, you know, direct them where and what to take. And we just got our first guest, guys. Look at this baby goodness. I am obsessed. Oh no, don't go. So after like 4 hours, we are finally done and we are officially moved to our house, and I'm so happy and so excited. We left here with like tons of boxes and we have to unpack so much stuff, but I'm really excited to order more furniture and get my dressing table and a couple of chests of drawers and a wardrobe, you know, bits and bobs that you need in the new house. But like, I am buzzing. I haven't been so happy in like ages. I have here like tons of boxes behind me, and yeah, you know, the joys of having your house filled with crap. But the joys of life. So the guys from removal company arrived around like 12 o'clock. Now it's like 4 o'clock. It's been really painful to feed the piano in the house, because if you ever move the house, you know this is literally the most painful thing to bring in the house. Like, you need a special person to deal with this, because a piano is a hell of a heavy thing. And yeah, that's what you have to deal with when you have a musician in your house. But on that note, like, I'm so looking forward to listen piano and other instruments, just like decorate the house and put like lots of ukuleles, and like, you know, the feeling when you have your own home for the first time ever, like 30 years, is unbelievable and undescribable. And I'm so happy that I'm here right now. And yeah, like, not much else to say, just that we need to pop up some champagne, because this is a good reason to have a bubbly and just to be happy and enjoy life. So we started to look for our house in November last year when we sold our old place, and we found our new house like very quickly. I think in January we already found it, and we were so happy and pleased. Sadly, we were in a chain, so we had to wait like 8 bloody months until we actually moved, because we found the house in January and we moved today, which is August. I forgot what date is today because it's been so much going on. But it took like 8 months to break the chain, because we had to move with my fiance's dad, and I am so grateful for this, because finding something short-let is really difficult. Like, they don't accept you unless it's like 9 months or so. But I'm really pleased, really happy. It was a little bit painful, so you need to brace yourself with lots of patience if you want to buy a house here in England, because to me, I think this has been the most difficult thing and the hardest. And I think, yeah, it's worth the wait, because, you know, good things are worth the wait, right? And we choose St. Albans because it's a very nice historical town. It has a nice cathedral, gorgeous market and park, and it's also very close to London. It's like 30 minutes by Thameslink, which is not bad at all. And we just wanted to be out of London because, to be honest, I think at this point we wanted a nice, quiet place, and that's what we've got. And we've got the 3-bed house, which is unbelievable, because most of the houses here, like in St. Albans, they're like 2 beds, and if they have a 3-bedroom, they're like the attic. And you know, in the summertime the attics get really hot. I'm very grateful to have the same room on the same floor, even if it's just a small one. That's a big perk. It has a very nice garden, and I'm still looking forward to grow my veggies and all that. But for the moment, yeah, I am so happy that we moved here, and unbelievably grateful and unbelievably lucky. So that was my moving vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to see more of my future videos, and apart from that, see you next time. Mwah. Bye.